As human beings, we are searching for the same thing, love. When we are in a relationship, whether they are romantic or as friends, we believe that the love is true. But I would like to introduce to you another type of love that is more powerful than any other type. It is a mother's love. When you are with your friends love you because you have made them happy, because you have said something to make them laugh. But your mother, she loves you before you even learn how to speak. Your mother loves you before you were even born. And when a woman becomes a mother, everything changes. The most important thing is no longer her, it's her child. The child becomes the most important thing in her life. So she has to be mindful about what she takes into her body, what she eats. Because she can no longer have spicy food, she can no longer have anything that is too sweet or too sour, because the baby will also receive that as well. So everything changes. When you're with your friends will only love you for as long as they can. If you were to do something that upsets them, if you were to do something that breaks the friendship, the love will not be as strong as before. But no matter what you do, if you are a bad person or a good person, your parents will always love you till the end. The love that they have for you is unconditional. It is more powerful than any other love that you know. It is important to return that favor, return the love back to your parents. And if you say that, oh, your parents were never around, they've never taken care of you, remember that they have given you the greatest gift of all, the gift of life. Your body, your good looks, your arms, your legs, your fingers, they were all given by your parents. Your body is worth more than any amount of money, and it was all given to you by your parents. So remember to repay the favor, even though we can't, but we can try to repay the favor by being a good son, being a good daughter, and take care of them when they grow old, and be there for them when they need you. Jalan Pon.